Former Presidents Barack Obama, George W. Bush and Bill Clinton have each volunteered to receive their COVID-19 vaccine in public and on camera in a bid to boost shaky public confidence in the vaccine's safety, which has been undermined by their speedy development and months of politicization on both sides of the aisle. As the return of vaccine-preventable diseases to the U.S. sadly illustrates, vaccine hesitancy, or outright opposition, is a considerable threat to public health. These issues are magnified with COVID-19, with wild conspiracy theories, outlandish misinformation and brazen denialism colliding with the fact that a number of these vaccines have been developed, tested and, barring the unexpected, approved at an unprecedented pace for a virus that is believed to have only emerged a year ago. In these circumstances, hesitancy is unsurprising and to be expected, especially, as Obama notes, in groups that have been poorly served, or even exploited, by the medical establishment. President Trump, with his penchant for peddling falsehoods, has done little to instill public confidence, instead insisting on doing things at warp speed, and openly pressuring officials to rush through approvals. While Trump seems willing to soak up praise for the speed at which the vaccines have been developed, his three most recent predecessors realize, alongside leaders elsewhere in the world, that the pandemic does not stop at the development of a vaccine, it will stop when enough people have taken the vaccine to interrupt the virus spread. In the coming weeks and months, it is likely high-profile figures will be stepping forward to get their vaccines in public. There are already reports that British Prime Minister Boris Johnson, who was hospitalized with COVID-19 early on in the pandemic, is planning to do so. The UK became the first country to clinically approve a COVID-19 vaccine Wednesday, authorizing Pfizer-BioNTech's vaccine for emergency use. A decision in the US is expected next week. Trump wants to go down in history as the man who ended COVID-19, claiming Moderna vaccine success as his own. Forbes. Boris Johnson may take newly approved COVID vaccine live on TV. Forbes. Obama, Bush and Clinton willing to take coronavirus vaccine in public. Axios. Ex-presidents fill leadership vacuum as Trump ignores worsening pandemic. CNN, full coverage and live updates on the coronavirus.